Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn midpoint, how to calculate some questions under midpoint. Now, midpoint as a topic falls under coordinates geometry. So we are learning how to calculate midpoint. But before we learn how to calculate midpoint, what does midpoint mean? Now, midpoint, when you have a line, the middle part of the line is called the midpoint, and then each edge of the line is made up of x and y axis. Can you see this line, edge of this line P made up of x and y axis, edge of this line Q made up of x and y axis. So the middle part of the line is called the what? Midpoint. Like we should just say middle point. So that's just it. And then since we have x, 2x here, therefore this will be x1 and this be x2. So since we have 2y, this become y1 and this become y2. So therefore, by formula, the formula of a midpoint is MP equals to x1 plus x2 and take the half of each axis, comma, y1 plus y2 and take the half. So now let's solve a question under what? Midpoint. For instance, now the first question 1, find the midpoint of a 7,4 and 0,2. Now we are asked to find the midpoint of two points, which is A and B. Are we together? With their axis 7,4 and 0,2. So you already know that this one is what? The first point is x1, y1, and you know the second point is x2, y2. So therefore, how do we solve this? We apply the formula of what? Midpoint. So to calculate for the midpoint of this question, there is a diagrammatic expression of the question. Yeah. So you know the 2 point is what? X and y axis. This point is xy and this one is xy. So therefore this is x1, y1 and this is what? x2, y2. So therefore we have labeled the what? Axis of the 2 point, and we have to calculate the midpoint, which is the middle part of the line. And then by formula, midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2, close the bracket. Now it is very simple. So midpoint equals to, what was our x1? Our x1 is 7 plus our x2 is 0 over 2, comma, our y1 is 4 and our y4 plus our y2 is 2 divided by what? 2. So further simplification, this gives 7 plus 0 is 7 over 2, comma, 4 plus 2 is 6 over 2. So therefore our midpoint equals to 7 over 2, comma, 6 divided by 2 is what? Is 3. So therefore our midpoint